Yeah. Hello and welcome to Prop Tiger's Right to Home online event, where we will connect prospective home buyers with reputed developers and their top projects across the country. I am your host, Surabhi Gupta, and to help you pick the best property options in Mumbai, we have with us esteemed panelists from Onet Universal who will answer some of the most pertaining queries related to their project in the region. I would like to welcome Mr. Vaibhav Kasture. Welcome, sir. From Prop Tiger, we have Mr. Brijesh Pathak. Welcome. I would request a panelist now to introduce the company that they are representing. Over to you, Mr. Kasture.
Thank you. Uh, this is Vaibhav Kasture from Onet Universal. We have all over Mumbai residential projects. And thank you for giving us the opportunity for these Prop Tiger clients. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kasture. Mr. Pathak, please introduce the company that you are representing.
Hi, Surbi. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity and a very warm welcome to all of our viewers who are there, who have invested their time to come on board and watch us. Myself, Brijesh Pathak. I take care of the Central Investment Region for PropTiger Mumbai. And talking about our company, so PropTiger is a decade-old company into the real estate, and probably we are one of the companies who are operating on a full stack model on an end-to-end basis. So for our consumers or for our clients, we have an array of services starting from the scientific and research-based consulting to the in-house home loan services with majorly all the leading banks and NBFCs, the legal solutions provided on the specific note. And all these services come free for all of our clients who are looking for to avail any special services regarding the real estate. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Pathak. So before we begin, let me show you some glimpses of Onet project in Vasai Pride. You may be future home. Here's a video for all our viewers.
Success does not happen by itself. It happens by design. By knowing little things make a big difference. Ornate Universal understands that you don't just invest money for your home, but you invest in your dreams and your aspiration for a bright future for you and your family. Ornate Universal started shaping and delivering projects from 2010. And now in 2020, Ornate Universal is one of the most trusted real estate brand in Mumbai. In the past 10 years, we have timely delivered 6 projects. Ornate Celesta at Kandivli, Ornate Classic at Vasai, Ornate Enclave at Nala Sopara, Ornate Galaxy at Naigaon, Ornate Nest at Navi Mumbai, Ornate Callisto Phase 1 Upper Thane. 3 projects are at ongoing stage: Ornate Palazzo, Santa Cruz, Ornate Callisto Phase 2 Upper Thane, and Ornate Heights in Vasai. Ornate Universal has launched 2 new luxurious affordable house projects at Malad and Dahisar. Our 9 projects in the last 10 years have achieved 600 plus happy families living peacefully in Mumbai in an affordable price. Ornate Universal is known for its timely delivery, which is possible because of the strategic approach towards our work culture. When choosing location, connectivity is our prime concern. All our 9 projects have excellent connectivity with highways, local roads, local railway stations, bus stand, and upcoming Mumbai Metro project. Our projects are located very near to schools, colleges, hospitals, and marketplaces. Best location with zero wastage of area make all our projects beyond ordinary. We value each square feet. We make sure it is utilized well. We provide balconies in most of our projects, which is the best example of carpet area utilization. For a luxury living, we provide superior amenities in our projects. These amenities include clubhouse, garden, senior citizen area, kids playing area, high-class security systems, firefighting systems, and backup generator. We plan it in our minds and build it with all our heart. We use the best building materials for construction of our projects. We use branded tile for flooring in the house as well as bathrooms. We provide waterproofing in bathrooms with a 10-year warranty. Kohler and Jaguar CP fittings give you quality with amazing looks.
We provide anodized aluminum French windows and modular kitchen with granite platform.
Quality electric and electronic equipments like Polycab copper wires, Havells switches, fans and eco-friendly LED lights consume less power, saving your monthly electricity bill. We install recycling facilities like sewage water treatment plants and solar water heater to reduce your water and electricity cost. We use Asian Apex Ultima and Asian Royale paints for external and internal walls, which protects your house and buildings against heavy monsoon in Mumbai and gives you 10 years long-lasting color durability. Our every project has Schindler escalators, which are of superior quality and low maintenance cost. Ornate Universal has a tie-up with all nationalized banks and financial institutes, helping our customers to get easy loan at low interest rate. Our fast and easy documentation process saves your time. We not just hand over you the keys, we hand over a lifetime of pride and happiness to you and your family. We provide luxurious lifestyle to our customers at an affordable price. Our homes have superior luxury, optimized living area, finest fittings and lavish finishes. Ornate Universal has been consistent in service since the last 10 years, resulting in increased number of members in the Ornate family every year. We await your inclusion to our Ornate family. Call us on 7620-400-800 or visit us on www.ornateuniversal.com.
Well, if this video got you interested, there's a lot more to come. Now, let's begin our session. Mr. Kasturi, please tell us about your projects in Vasai and in other part of regions, and what are you offering?
See, it's one of the best location today if you consider in the western side. That's a Vasai, because if you look at after Mira Road, if there is something is affordable and livable area, if anyone thinks, then everyone think about only Vasai. Vasai have a very bright future in terms of Vasai have his own history in terms of pricing, in terms of the kind of people who is staying there. Everyone used to feel that if I want to stay beyond Mira Road, then earlier people used to think Vasai is the one option. Then they think other options when about the Virar and other options. There is a reason behind it. What happens, there is a majority salaried individual. If you look at, everyone needs that safe, secured and developed market, in terms of you have a schooling nearby, you have a hospitals nearby, you need a one settled market. That everything you will find that is in Vasai. If you look at Virar, everyone says Virar is something which is developing, there is some issues, there is no road, there is nothing, school is coming up. The Naigaon is a different story. But Vasai is the old developed area. So first important is that the Vasai, everyone prefer to stay. There is a old, if you look at majority Catholic community who used to stay in Vasai, there is a majority salaried who stays in Vasai. And now the added advantage in Vasai, where we are coming up with the project, that is a 50 acres of land parcel which is getting developed. And that location, if you look at, there the first the infrastructure is already been ready. the entire infra is completely ready. Now you have a 60 feet main road, 90 feet main road is already ready. You have a dividers, you have the basically the footpaths, the electric poles, street lights, everything is ready. Drainage. So this kind of developments, if you look at in western side, is happening first time where your infra is ready and then the building is coming up. Normally, always what happens that there is a building comes first and then the infra comes. So here that is the advantage wherein you can see the infra is ready. People comes every day for the walking on the main road from the nearby Vasai area. They see the area which is coming up in a different way all put together. So the advantage is in Vasai that the first the infrastructure, second the project where it is coming up that infra is already ready. Third, the what we are coming up with the project, that project phase one we initially just 5 months back we have launched and we have sold the entire inventory. The reason behind it, because there is a Ornate have that brand value in that market. People have seen the Ornate, people have seen the delivery of the Ornate projects in that market, and the kind of work we have done in past. Vasai we have already delivered one project. In Naigaon we have already delivered one project. In Nalasopara we have already delivered project. So everyone knows as a Ornate as a brand. So in 4 months time we have sold the phase one complete. Now we are coming up with the phase two, and that is the tallest tower in the entire Vasai. It is a 23-story tower which is coming up. So if you look at, there is a lot of growth is happening, and if you see the project pricing what we have initially planned and what today we are selling at, there is a huge difference. Means the market has changed. Now the people are, we are not selling in Vasai, people are buying in Vasai.
Yeah.
So that is how the everyone is looking at.
All right.
So
Okay.
my only concern is that if you look at people normally, nowadays in real estate, we say that we have sold. We have my sales team is pushing for sales. Here in my project, there is a different story. People are coming and buying, and my team is just guiding them for the inventory.
Okay.
Pricing is acceptable by the customers very well. Product is acceptable by the customer very well. We are guiding for the inventory, people are buying.
Okay.
Because the kind of area we are giving in that market and the finishing we are giving for the product in that market is really different. Because we always say to all our customers that we are not in affordable market, we are making affordable property, but our affordable property is a luxury affordable property.
Right. Right. Okay. So you talked about affordable luxury. So I want to know from Mr. Pathak, like, what is the future of a market like Vasai, which is currently seen as an affordable hub for Mumbai buyers? What is your take on that, Mr. Pathak?
So we see one thing which Vaibhavji also stressed upon. See, Vasai as a micro market, or probably that region location itself has been a very habitable place since long. So it's not that today it's upcoming. Vasai is always been accepted as a very. If you go beyond Borivali, that is one pin code which is very well accepted by the residents. So it's a purely good residential location. And the cherry on the cake is now with the infrastructural changes, which we call as the big infrastructural changes, the probably the metro coming till Dahisar, and then going beyond, then the roadways, the railways, the connectivity of the location, then the Vasai Virar and Alibag corridor. These will be some futuristic things which will altogether take this horizon shift to take Vasai to a next level. So I think this is the right entry point for anybody for a location which is not a deserted or a no man's land location. It is already an established location, but the future prospect looks very promising in the recent future. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. So if we talk about ROI, so Mumbai is primarily a high-end market where the return on investment has always been debatable. So what would you like to say about that when it comes to Vasai? Mr. Weber, what would you like to say about that?
See, Surabhi, आप एक चीज पे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है रियल एस्टेट में, दैट इज दैट if I am putting a X amount and what I am getting after that, and wherein if you look at as a Vasai as an end user market, wherein end users when they pay say 3 lakh rupees as a own contribution, and maximum, you know, because there is a property cost which we talk about is starting from 35 to 40 lakhs kind of a property. तो उसमें क्या होता है when customer pays 3.5 lakh rupees and he sees after 5 years down the line that उसने जो initial 3.5 lakh rupees जो invest किया रहता है उसका after 5 years if you see the value, because वो 35-40 lakhs की property is going to be a 55-60 lakh rupees, because आज वसई में जितने 5 साल लोगों ने लिया उनका valuation already बढ़ चुका है. And now if you talk about 35-40 lakhs kind of a buyer who is paying, he is spending 3.5 lakh rupees, and if you talk about 5 years, इनका 3-3.5 लाख रुपए जो इन्वेस्टमेंट आज किया है is going to be, if they want to sell after 5 years, they will get at least, means if you talk about in terms of percentage wise, then that would be, you even cannot compare, because 3.5 if he is getting a 10 lakh rupees on his contribution, the percentage is something which is more than 100.
Yeah.
So in affordable property, where we say as affordable, because if you compare with the Bombay, it's affordable, but it is become a now a luxury area again.
Yeah.
In Vasai, if somebody wants to stay, they always feel कि नहीं मुझे आज, पहले Mira Road एक affordable था, now Mira Road becomes expensive, and now people look at Vasai as a next Mira Road.
Yeah.
And when they say I am paying and I am investing, because they know the Mira Road prices is gone like anything now, Daisar and Mira Road are almost same, and now people will see the future that Mira Road and Vasai price will be same. So if you look at an investment perspective, Vasai is something really a different zone now, because if you see Vasai investment is happening around 3 to 5 lakhs rupees, but that 5 lakhs rupees will fetch more than 100% return after 5 years.
Okay.
And today, if you see that someone who is putting money in that location, there is a two-way investment he look at. Majority there is an end user who is coming nowadays. But if the investor percentage is hardly, but that all are salaried investor, when they are looking at Vasai as options, they have a multiple options, or maybe they are having a dual mind. Basically, this is my current investment, but after 5 years, I may shift that side. So he have in his mind that this location is going to be a luxury location after 5 years down the line. So the investment, he have a guarantee that his investment is going to be happen, and that investment will give me the returns. But there is another option is that he may shift in that way. So there is a always dual concerns. Investment, of course, it's a great investment opportunity and great investment option, but there is an option that he may shift in Vasai. So that is the advantage of the Vasai.
All right. Mr. Pathak, would you like to add something to this?
Sure. So, Surbhi, I think Vaibhav has very exhaustively explained on the debatable stuff. But yes, actually, if you say that this primarily Mumbai, your question that is Mumbai primarily a high-end property market when return on investment is quite debatable. So yeah, that's true. But as the time passed, in the recent past, we have seen some clear segregation here. At one side, wherein the prices has been at a saturation, especially for the high-end properties like the Sobos and all. The affordable segment has taken a horizon shift into the real estate, and especially metros and the suburbs. So almost every developer, I would say every good developer is now venturing into this sweet spot, and this is because the demand of affordable luxury has increased, and not alone. Even the government is strategically looking for the great infrastructural development in special pockets of the MMR region for Mumbai, which is surely going to boost the ROI of such investments. So yes, I think now there is a clear demarcation that the affordable projects, especially in the luxury segment, as one is Ornate here, can be looked upon as a great proposition for the ROI and in the recent future. Thanks.
So now let's move on to our next segment. I would request our panelists to walk us through their project presentation. Can we have the presentation, please?
See the about Ornate, if you see, you know, so the Ornate has started his journey from 2010. And about you know, about Ornate, if I'm going to tell you something, that Ornate have very clear, you know, the line of concept in mind, that we are, as a developer, wants to develop the property and wants to give the delivery on time, and we want to create that brand. And that brand is already, now we have seen that brand is already been there in the affordable luxury apartments. And that is why we have a very five simple principle in, you know, we have planned that first, all the approval should be there in place, all my design should be attractive, my, you know, the excavation will start once the approval in place. Once the excavation approval is there, then only we'll start the sale. And if once we start the sales, we make sure that we complete that deadline and we give the delivery of the projects what we have completed. Next, please. Company have already completed the projects in terms of, next slide, please. We have already completed the projects in terms of, the project name is not reflecting here. Now you can see there is a completed projects in Vasai, as I have said earlier also. We have completed the projects in Vasai, we have completed Nalasopara, we have completed Naigaon, we have completed in Kandivali, we have completed in Pune. So if you look at from 2010 to till, we have already delivered more than 6 projects. In Bombay, if someone is delivering in 6 to 7 years time, in the execution, if someone is delivering the 6-7 projects on time, it means we have a very clear policies in place. Please, next slide. We have currently ongoing projects, that is again a landmark projects. One area which we have already again started in central side, that is Kalyan Bhiwandi Junction. Phase 1 Ornate Callisto is already complete and phase 2 is going on. Then we have luxury properties in Santa Cruz, the Palazzo. Then phase 1 what we have sold in Vasai, that is Ornate Heights. And now we are coming up with the phase 2 in Vasai. Now if you look at the journey so far, what we have done in the Mumbai, that majority development is happened in the affordable segment, but this all affordable segment is delivered. And now we are coming up slowly in this side of the Bombay. We have Kandivali already we have delivered. Palazzo is currently going on in Santa Cruz. Then we are coming up with the one more projects in Dahisar, Malad, and then we have 2 more projects in pipeline, that is in Kandivali. So that is coming up soon. So that anyway will happen. Current, if you see the which I am talking about, Ornate Heights, that phase 1 we have sold successfully in last 4 months time. That is BHK and 2 BHK, and now we are coming up with the phase 2, and that project we are in a verge of launching. That project is named as a code name Vasai Pride. The beauty of the project is here every apartment have the balcony. That is why this you can see on the left hand side on the screen there is a balcony, because every buyer who is coming to Vasai have their dream home, and when they come as a dream home they always feel that we should have a small balcony in our apartment, and luxury should be there. So if you take it next slide please. So luxury plus there is a amenities what everyone expects. Now you look at the amenities here. We are giving box cricket, we are giving beautiful gym, there is a jogging track inside the compound, there is a special senior citizen area for the old age, then there is a amphitheater inside the compound, so children can do their programs, and then there is a lot of other features that is called as a, we normally feel security concerns is always there. So there is a security CCTV camera, then there is a best advantages nowadays is biometric access, then there is going to be a convenience store, the housekeeping, firefighting, parkings, and then there is a intercom. So there is a few basic things which is very important nowadays: biometric, intercom, these all things which is called as a luxury features which we are providing. Others are not giving even this kind of a thing, which we have already added. Next slide, please. Now, the beauty of Vasai, which I have initially explained you. Now, if you see here, there is from Bhayandar to Naigaon, there is a one bridge is coming up. This bridge will take you, and this will change the entire dynamics of the Vasai, Naigaon and Virar. Now, this bridge, if you compare the Bhayandar prices today, is about Bhayandar 1 BHK starts from minimum 90-95 lakhs. And once this bridge gets over, you will reach in Vasai maximum in 5 minutes. Then your Vasai prices will be something near to Mira Road Bhayandar. That's what I was talking about. And on the left hand side next to bridge, if you can see, there is an orange line which is a coastal road which is getting developed, and the government is targeting very strongly on this coastal road, because from Warsaw to till Virar by the coastal road you can reach without traffic, and this road will fetch another better return, better the positive sign to this area. And this, if you look at my location, now the beauty what I was talking about, the location, this is the 50 acres of huge development is happening, and this 50 acres you can see my project which is already marked. This project have two side station access. One is from the left hand side from the main road, and other is from the inside the my 50 acres development. So you have a Churchgate side exit entry, and you have a Virar exit entry. So you will be having a 5 minutes walkable station from both the sides. And then there is a beauty again on the location part was the your Naigaon Vasai link road. Now this is the most important part. Phase 1 we have sold it out. Now this is the opportunity for all the customers that you can avail the benefit which we are coming up with only exclusively for PropTiger customers, and these options is exclusively for the PropTiger customer. That there is now we are coming with the phase 2 launch, and in phase 2 launch this is the initial pre-launch benefit which you can actually, this is opportunity you can grab it, and wherein you can choose two types of apartment we are providing. One is a premium and second is the luxury. Now, if you look at current prices of my phase 1, which already we have sold, current prices is 3650 to 37 lakhs rupees. So now here we have a type of 1 BHK. One is premium, we are selling as a 36.50, wherein customer can pay 51,000 and he can take a guaranteed benefit of 1 lakh rupees. Plus is the additional benefit, which we called it as a extra benefit. So plus means there is a no stamp duty, plus there is a super saving offer. And it is a luxury type of apartments is 37 lakhs rupees. On 37 lakhs, you can pay as a 1 lakh rupees booking amount, and you can take a straight away 2 lakhs rupees upfront discount plus benefits. So plus is the stamp duty, zero stamp duty, plus there is a super saving offer. This is what the benefit you have. Surbhi. Thank you.
Thank you for such an elaborative presentation, but we are running out of time, and we are sorry. We have to wrap up this webinar session. But before we wrap up, I would like to thank our panelists, Mr. Pathak and Mr. Kasture for joining us today. Thank you, Ben. Take care. Happy home buying.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.